The Bushfire Preparedness Program has been designed to support schools with their vegetation clearance, schools that are at most risk. So we provide funding and it helps them prepare their schools prior to the summer with basic vegetation clearance activities.
Our school is on a very large parcel of land. It's set in beautiful Langwarrin. We have around 900 students from prep through to grade 6.
Schools qualify for the Bushfire Preparedness Program by being on the bar. So that means they've been rated at category 1, 2 or 3 bar risk, Bushfire At-Risk Register. Then they're entitled to the program funding.
The works we've completed for the Bushfire Preparedness Program got a large area at the front of our school which we get cleared annually. It's got some beautiful trees in there, but we get the undergrowth cleared along with the back part of the school. We get our gutters cleaned a couple of times a year. A lot of pruning that gets done around the school, along with the arborist that has a fairly active role in checking that the trees are safe so that they're not adding to the bushfire load, making sure that they're safe all year round for the school.
We have a contingency fund so that schools that have one-off particularly necessary works one year to another, they can ask for additional funding to do those works. They can use any remaining funds on activities that are going to reduce bushfire risk, such as replacing combustible materials, wood chips and retaining walls.
We work closely with the VSBA. We submit quotes each year to have those works looked at, whether it's maintenance, whether it's contract for special works, a whole range of different things. Annually, we look at clearing of vegetation, gutters, pruning, and particularly the maintenance of our trees.